Hey friends, if you wish to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. And then you can search for site settings in the search bar here and open site settings, and then you can scroll down and click on pop-ups and redirects. So by default it is selected that don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. If you wish to enable it, then it will you can select the second option, sites can send pop-ups and redirects. This does not mean that the redirects or pop-ups will open by their own, but the sites will be able to send them. But I usually prefer it at this one because I hate pop-ups and redirects. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.